Good morning, class 8, subject maths, chapter 4, exercise 4.3, page number 55, question number 3. 4x to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 10x square. In book, here given x, but that is wrong. Here actual will be 10x square. In book 10x given, it is wrong. Plus 13x minus 6 by 2x plus 3. So students, first of all, here is 2x and here is 4x to the power 4. By which number we multiply? We multiply by 2x cube. See, 2x plus 3 into 2x cube. This become 2 to the 4x to the power 4 plus 2x cube, 2 3 is 6x cube. Students, always आपको ये ध्यान देना है कि यहाँ पे जो है हम यहाँ पे कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि यहाँ पे 4x टू दी पावर 4 हो। यहाँ पे हम 2x क्यूब से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 4x टू दी पावर 4 हो जाएगा। बस हमको फर्स्ट वाला को कट करना है एक एक स्टेप में। इसको हमको यहाँ पे इससे कोई मतलब नहीं। सो वी राइट हियर 2x क्यूब। सो इट बिकम 4x टू दी पावर 4 प्लस 6x cube minus, and here also minus. So this minus and plus minus become cancel, and this minus get added, students. So it become 8x cube minus 10x square. Okay, students. Now see. Here is minus 8x cube and here is 2x. So we multiply here by 4x minus 4x square. So see, if we multiply by minus 4x square in 2x plus 3, then we get what? Minus 8x cube minus 4 is 12x square. Okay, students. So here I write minus 8x cube minus 12x square. So students, again sign get change, minus become plus and this minus also become plus. So plus minus, here plus here minus, it get cancelled, and plus minus we have to subtract. So 12 minus 10 become 2x square. This is rough work, so I am erasing. Now students, 2x square and we have to carry plus 13x. So students, here is 2x square and here is 2x. So we have to multiply by plus x only. So see, if by x we multiply 2x plus 3, then it becomes 2x square plus 3x. So students, it becomes 2x square plus 3x minus, and here also minus. So it gets cancelled. 13 minus 3, 10x student, and now we carry minus 6. So student, here is 10x and here is 2x. So we multiply by plus 5. By 5, if we multiply, then our see 2x plus 3 multiplied by 5. 5 to the 10x plus 5 3 is 15. So students, here I write 10x plus 15. So this become minus and this plus become also minus. So students, this 10 is positive and this 10 is minus, this negative, so it get cancelled. But here both are negative. So minus 15 minus 6 minus 21. Now students, students, we have to write down the quotient and the remainder. So quotient is equal to what? 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 5, and remainder is equal to minus 21. Okay students, the remainder is minus 21. So after that we will discuss question number 4 students. Okay students, now we will see the fourth question of question number 3. 8x cube minus 6x square plus 10x plus 15 divided by 4x plus 1. So see students, here is 4x and here is 8x cube. So we multiply by 2x square. 2x square, 2 into 4, 8x square into x cube plus 2x square. So here I write 8x cube plus 2x square minus. So students, this rough I erase. Now plus minus will get cancelled, and minus 6 minus 2 become minus 8x square plus 10x will carry. After here I write what? 2x square students. Then here is minus 8x square and here is 4x. So we multiply by minus 2x. See, this becomes minus 8x square minus 2x. So here I write minus 2x, and this multiplication I write here minus 8x square minus 2x. Now sign we have to subtract, when sign get changed, so minus become plus, and this also minus become plus. Now this negative and this is positive, so it get cancelled, and this is positive get added, 12x and plus 15 will carry. So students, here is 12x and here is 4x, so we write here directly by 3. 4 3s are 12x plus 3. So students, this become negative and this also become negative. So this positive negative get cut, and 15 minus 3, 12. So students, we write quotient is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 3, and remainder is equal to 12. After that students, we discuss only one question of question number 4. Okay students. Okay students, now we will see exercise 4.3 question number 4, divide and verify. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So students, here this is dividend and this is divisor. Now after dividing we find the quotient and remainder. So see, m minus 2, here is m and here is m square. So we multiply by m. m into m minus 2 is equal to m square minus 2m. So students, here I write m square minus 2m. Now after that we have to subtract. So I put here minus, and this minus become plus. So students, this minus and this is positive get cancelled, and minus 3m plus 2m minus m plus 7. So students, minus m plus 7, it become what? Here is m and here is minus m. First we have multiplied by m, so I have written here m. Now for this m minus m we have to multiply by minus 1. So minus 1 into m minus 2 is equal to minus m plus 2. So students, here I write minus m plus 2. Now after subtracting, this minus become positive and this plus become minus. So this get cancelled and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So students, now see, dividend is equal to m square minus 3m plus 7. Divisor is equal to m minus 2. Dividend divisor, and quotient is equal to, students, quotient is equal to m minus 1 and remainder is equal to 5. So we have to verify this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So I have to take LHS. Divisor into quotient plus, here you understood this is remainder. Okay students, this is IM remainder. Now divisor is what? M minus 2 and quotient is what? M minus 1 plus remainder is what? 5. So students, you have to note down this all. Okay, now we multiply. Here we multiply in rough. Here I am doing rough work. M minus 2 into m minus 1. This becomes m into m minus 1 minus 2 into m minus 1. So students, m into m square minus m and then minus 2m minus minus plus 2. So students, this becomes m square minus m minus 2m minus 3m plus 2. So same as students, I write here m into m minus 1 minus 2 into m minus 1 plus 5. So here I get m square minus m minus 2m plus 2 plus 5 is equal to m square minus 3m plus 5 plus 2, 7. Okay students, so this is equal to what? Dividend, that is, this is LHS and this is RHS. So sorry, we have taken here from RHS. I said before that LHS. So our LHS is equal to RHS. Verify. Okay students, so same as you have to solve all the left questions in question number 4, exercise 4.3. Okay, thank you.